Hi guys, I want to do a quick video. This will be an unboxing video of a pair of parallettes that I got from Lebert, and according to the reviews, have high recommendations. And I already have several push-up devices, but I'm always looking for another piece of equipment that can help me get stronger. And because this has such high recommendations, I went ahead and ordered it. And I just received this today from Amazon. And it comes in a box like this. And this is the first set of parallettes I've ever had. That's everything in the box right here. It's well packaged. So anyway, there's only 2, 4, 6 pieces that need to be put together. And it comes with instructions and with the screws. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So here's the complete unboxing. What you get when you get the box, you remove all the plastic and bubble wrap. You get 6 main pieces of the parallette bars. As you can see, there's 4 feet and 2 of the handles. And it comes with 8 bolts and 8 washers and an Allen wrench, along with instructions on how to put it together. And according to the guide here, I have all the parts. And it gives you some more information. For instance, if you want to buy a book on how to do exercises, it gives you a special code to get 25% off of the regular price. And on the other side, just shows some photos of the types of exercises that you can do with the parallettes, but no actual instructions, which isn't a problem because we live in the age of YouTube and Google, so what you don't know you can instantly find out by just typing in parallette exercises on the YouTube search engine. So that's what that looks like. 8 bolts, 8 washers, an Allen wrench, instruction pamphlet, some general information, and the 6 main parts of the parallettes. So now I'm going to put it together. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together. Okay, so the good news is that it's actually very easy to put together. All you do is just slide each foot in, take your bolt and your washer, and just line the holes, and you can hand tighten it just to get it in there. Okay, that's the first one. And here's the next one. Then after you got it in, just take your Allen wrench, and it's very easy to install. I took maybe 5 minutes to do this. I mean, that's to put both parallettes together. And there it is. This is what they look like. And I'll be doing push-ups with this. And of course I can do bench dips. And other exercises. But I'll do a separate video on that. So this was the Lebert Parallette bars. I mean, they look really nice. They were easy to put together. Feel very strong. And I can see why they got such great recommendations. The foam feels durable, but firm. It looks like a quality piece of equipment. And I look forward to using it. Okay, that's all for this video. You know, I'm 67 years old. I'm probably 10 years away from dying, but I'm going to do everything I can to try to stay as healthy as I can for as long as I can. And I don't mind spending money on gym equipment. I have 3 home gyms, garage gym, a basement gym, and an extension room gym. And I'm creating a 4th gym in my backyard patio. And that's where these will go. So if you're into exercise and you like exercise equipment, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification because I'm retired. I'll be doing a lot more videos. I've been lifting ever since I was 13 years old, so I've been lifting for 54 years, doing various exercises. And I think, you know, I'm just part of the large YouTube community. And a lot of us have the same interest in exercise and staying healthy. If you do too, then please comment below because we have a lot to discuss and to share. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.